Today we will learn about Adolf Hitler. Adolf Hitler was one of the most powerful and most dangerous leaders in modern history. He was the leader of Nazi Germany. His actions helped start World War II in Europe. His government also caused the Holocaust, where millions of people were killed. Let's look at his life and how he became a dictator. Adolf Hitler was born on April 20, 1889. He was born in a small town called Braunau am Inn. This town is in Austria, near Germany. His father worked for the government. His mother stayed at home and cared for the family. As a young boy, Hitler wanted to become an artist. He liked drawing buildings and landscapes. When he was older, he applied to the Vienna Academy of Fine Arts, but he failed the entrance exam. He tried again the next year, but he failed again. After this, Hitler lived in Vienna for several years. He was very poor. Sometimes he had little money and no stable home. During this time, he began to develop strong political ideas. Many of these ideas were extreme and racist. In 1913, Hitler moved to Germany. 1 year later, World War I began. Hitler joined the German army. He served as a messenger on the front lines. During the war, he was injured. He also received medals for bravery. In 1918, Germany lost the war. Many Germans were angry and frustrated after the defeat. Hitler believed Germany had been treated unfairly. This feeling strongly influenced his political beliefs. After the war, Hitler joined a small political group. It was called the German Workers' Party. Hitler was a powerful speaker. Many people were impressed by his speeches. Soon, the party changed its name. It became the National Socialist German Workers' Party. Most people called it the Nazi Party. In 1923, Hitler tried to take power by force. This event was called the Beer Hall Putsch. The attempt failed and Hitler was arrested. He spent several months in prison. During this time, he wrote a book called Mein Kampf. The name means My Struggle. In this book, he explained his political ideas. Many of these ideas were based on racism and extreme nationalism. During the 1930s, Germany had serious economic problems. Many people had no jobs. People were looking for strong leadership. The Nazi Party gained more and more support. In 1933, Adolf Hitler became the Chancellor of Germany. Soon after, he took complete control of the government. Germany became a dictatorship. Hitler wanted Germany to become stronger and larger. In 1939, Germany invaded Poland. This invasion started World War II. The war quickly spread across Europe and other parts of the world. During this time, the Nazi government carried out terrible crimes. Millions of Jewish people were persecuted and killed. Other groups were also targeted. This genocide is called the Holocaust. World War II became the deadliest war in human history. Tens of millions of people died. By 1945, Germany was losing the war. Allied forces were moving closer to Berlin. Berlin was the capital of Germany. Hitler was hiding in an underground bunker. On April 30, 1945, Adolf Hitler died in the bunker. Soon after, Germany surrendered. World War II in Europe ended. Today, Adolf Hitler is remembered as a symbol of dictatorship, racism, and war. His actions caused enormous suffering. Learning about this history helps people understand the dangers of extreme ideas and authoritarian power. History also reminds us why peace, democracy, and human rights are important.